Number one reason people live long is not because of food, not because of doing yoga, not because of exercise. From all the research, the number one reason is having social relationships, not being socially isolated. And in fact, if you look, a lot of the people dying from coronavirus, COVID-19, or for that matter, the flu, you have obese people, you have people who've been smoking, high blood pressure, they have weakened immune systems. But lack of social connection is worse than these three things. This is why they found people in certain cultures who smoke, maybe they're a little bit overweight, and they live 90, 100 years because they have these amazing friendships and connection. And the reason that's important, this was a great article that came out in Science News saying loneliness is a molecule. And that was talking about this very interesting paper that was written by Stephen Cole. And this came out about 5 years ago. Simply put, leukocytes are part of the immune system, and it's talking about the transcriptome dynamics. What that means is how at the cellular, at the genetic level, how the leukocytes are behaving in the presence of social isolation. So they did it on humans and macaque monkeys. And what they found was something quite fascinating, that there's a phenomenon called conserved transcriptional response to adversity, CTRA. Transcriptional response is how your genes respond to upregulate or downregulate certain molecules. Simply put, your genes are not just static. Based on different inputs coming in, they will actually turn on certain genes or shut down certain genes. And what this described was that when people were socially isolated, that they upregulated inflammatory genes expression and they downregulated antiviral response. So under social isolation conditions at the genetic level, the body or the physiology at the cellular level was creating more inflammation. Inflammation is not good. It does not support immune health. And it was downregulating, as you can see here, antiviral response. So number one thing you can boost your immune system is friendships. And what we're doing with the social isolation stuff, social distancing, people wearing on masks, looking at each people all frightened, is one of the worst things that they can do.